guys, welcome back to my channel FunX Creation. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can DIY this refrigerator. So for this you will need cardboard, colored paper, paints and glue. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken these 4 cardboard pieces, 2 of different size, 2 of different size, and you can take the markings as 6 cm length and 3 cm width. That will be perfect. After that I'll just take my glue and spread it using a scale, or you can use a brush also, and then I'll just cover it with a plain white paper. So as you can see, I've covered these 4 pieces with white paper. Now I'll just start sticking them together. So I'm using hot glue gun over here, and like this I'll just start sticking it. So once it's done, these cardboard pieces are pure square, and I'll just start sticking it over here also. Guys, all the measurements will be linked in the description box below, so you can check it out before making this. So I'll just stick it on both of the sides. So once it's done, now I've taken these 4 cardboard cutouts again, and these, as you can see, are all of a different size, and this is a frame, and this is a translucent sheet, plain. I'll just stick it together. On this frame I'll just take this translucent sheet, and then this will be the door. As you can see, I've already taken the marking. I'll just mark it on the base also of the refrigerator. So as you can see, I've marked it. Now I've taken this cardboard cutout, and as you can see, it's a little bit smaller than the refrigerator, because when you have to close the door, the bottle rack will not punch this, so that's why I've taken this a little bit smaller. Now you can take the measurement of the cardboard, and properly you have to take the markings and then stick it together. So these will be the racks. So as you can see, the racks are a little bit smaller. 1 centimeter is enough. So this will be the glass rack. And after this I've taken some more translucent sheet and I've folded it. Now I've taken these 2 cardboard cutouts. So I'll just stick it on both of the sides on the translucent sheet. So this will make a vegetable chiller tray. As you can see, it's a see-through tray. Now for the door, which we've already taken the markings, I'll just cut it according to the marking, and then as you can see, this will stick like this. Before that, we'll just have to put this frame. It's a kind of frame because the door have to be closed and it will not hurt any other thing inside the refrigerator. So for that I've taken this frame. It's not too large also and not too thin, so you can see the measurement and follow the steps, because it's a quite tough tutorial to explain, but when you do it in real life, it's very easy. After this, I've taken this cardboard cutout and I'll just give it the shape of a rack. So this will be the bottle rack. You just have to take the perfect measurement and then you have to stick it over here. So this, in the door frame, it will be sitting like this, so it will look very pure. So after this, as you can see, I'll just use this procedure on the second half of the door, and as you can see where I'm sticking it, not too low, not too deep. And over here also I'll just make some bottle racks. Okay, so once it's done, I've taken this thick cardboard cutout and I'll just punch some holes inside it using a tweezer, and then I'll just stick this also with the frame. So this will be the egg rack. I'll just stick that also on the door. After that, I'll just cover the brown cardboard with a white acrylic paint. And as you can see, I'm just painting it truly. After this is a division which I've made out of cardboard, and I'll just stick that also like this. This will be sticking inside the the rack upper half of the fridge. And then after this is a cardboard piece, and I'll just close the starting of it using a cardboard. It's a thin cardboard, and I'll just stick it, a white cardboard on top of it. And then I'll just take a white pearl bead, and I'll just attach that also, so it will be the handle of this. This is the ice tray, so you'll just have to stick that also like this. Now these are little bit pieces of cardboard which has a hole inside it and also some wire inside it. I've attached that on the 3 parts of the fridge. After that, I'll just use some glue and cover my refrigerator in a pure red paper. And I'll just cover it from the behind also using some glue. All the edges will be completely secure with the glue, as you can see. Now I'll just put the door also and cover it with the same red paper which I've used for the fridge. Now for the back side of it, I'll just take a black card paper, and I'll just stick that also on the behind of the fridge. And also this cardboard, I'll just stick that also on the base of the fridge, so it's a little bit smaller in size, and it has 4 holes on each of the corners. So I'll just take my plastic straw pieces and I'll just attach on 4 corners. So this will be the stand of the refrigerator. Now these are some few more plastic straws which are hollow. So I'll just insert the craft wire inside and just fold the ending craft wires, and you can see I'll just attach it on the doors like this. So these will be the handles. Now this is a wire. I'll just put it inside through the the full door, and then other part also. Now the cardboard circle which we have made square, I'll just attach it through it, and then I'll just secure the ends with this pearl white beads on both of the sides, not in the middle. After that, I'll just paint my handle black and also the white plastic straws on the base. I'll just paint it. After that, as you can see, these are the small vegetables and fruits and plastic bottles, cakes which I've made with paper clay. You can also use polymer clay and then paint it after it gets dried. So as you can see, I have now decorated them inside the refrigerator. And this is the ice tray. And over here some eggs, some vegetables, cakes and bottles. As you can see, all of them are kept inside it. And this is the final look of my fridge. So guys, as you can see, the refrigerator looks quite real, and the tutorial is very easy. You can follow it, and also the links will be mentioned in the description box below of my some other videos as well. So as you can see guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked it. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye.